say they shouldn't mix their personal with their professional life, right? On social media. You can't afford not to. People do business that they know, like, and trust. How many of you here just love people that all they do is talk about business? I mean, they just got that wall, right? You can't relate. You can't relate to that. You can relate to the one that, hey, this guy's a dad, this guy, this girl's a mom, they got the kids, they don't have the kids, they got whatever. It's the personal thing. Hey, this person's at the Phillies game, that guy's at the Sixers game. This one's at DSW buying shoes. Look at my shoes that I got, right? And people are engaging on that. Why? Because they can relate to you. They might not be relating if you're just, hey, look, I'm a construction company and I build buildings and that's it. Woo! Yeah, you don't mean anything. I don't even know who you are. Yesterday, I had someone that came yesterday. I've never met her. She came with her friend. She goes, hey, you know where I first saw you? I'm like, I don't know. I'm afraid to ask. Make breakfast great again. Make breakfast great again. You guys are like, some of you are probably like, what the heck is this make breakfast great again? We actually have a group of 7 to 15 people that goes and shows up at someone's house at 6 a.m. on a Saturday morning. And they make us breakfast. We don't even provide the food. We come in, we got hats, we got mugs, we got yard signs, we do the whole thing, we video it all that stuff. That's why she was there. She came to learn about business because of a Make Breakfast Great Again video, which is old people acting like 2-year-olds for 1 hour. Why? Because we got personal. Personal. That connected with her. And then from that, then she started following everything else. Started seeing, hey, oh, he's speaking on taking my network from 0 to hero in a year. I'm in. Why? Because I connected on the personal side.